Hello everyone and welcome back to ONsalus Health. Today we're going to talk about the reasons why an erection loses hardness. An erection is a complex process that involves multiple factors, including the nervous system, circulation, hormones, and penile muscles. When all of these factors are working together properly, an erection is firm and long-lasting. However, if there is a problem with any of these factors, it can lead to a weak or soft erection. Causes of soft erection. A soft erection is a functional erection, but it is less consistent and may not be fully erect or maintain an erection for long. Erectile dysfunction is the male inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficiently firm for a reasonable period of time. Any problem related to the erection can be a cause of erectile dysfunction. The most common causes of soft erection include: Number 1. Heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of erectile dysfunction. This is because heart disease can damage the blood vessels that supply blood to the penis. Erections require a strong blood flow, so if the blood vessels are damaged, erections can be weak or non-existent. In addition to heart disease, other conditions that can affect blood flow to the penis include high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, among others. Number 2. Hormonal problems. Hormonal imbalances can cause soft erections by disrupting the production or function of hormones that are essential for erectile function. These hormones include testosterone, prolactin, and thyroid hormone. It is important to remember that pathologies such as diabetes can also cause erectile dysfunction. Number 3. Neurological dysfunction. The central nervous system, also known as CNS, plays a vital role in erectile function. The CNS sends signals to the penis to initiate and maintain an erection. Any damage to the CNS can disrupt these signals and lead to erectile dysfunction. Some common neurological conditions that can cause erectile dysfunction include multiple sclerosis, strokes, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Number 4. Certain substances. There are a number of substances that can cause erectile dysfunction, including alcohol and illicit drugs, medications such as antidepressants, beta blockers, and antihypertensives. Illicit drugs can damage the blood vessels and nerves that are essential for erectile function. They can also interfere with the production of hormones that are necessary for erections. Number 5. Psychological problems. Psychological problems can contribute to erectile dysfunction in a number of ways. For example, stress, anxiety, and depression can all make it difficult to focus and relax, which can make it difficult to get or maintain an erection. Number 6. Peyronie's disease. Peyronie's disease is a condition that causes scar tissue to form in the penis. The scar tissue can make the penis curve or bend during an erection, and it can also make it difficult to get or maintain an erection. Number 7. Lifestyle. Lifestyle factors can play a major role in the development of erectile dysfunction. Some of the most common lifestyle factors that can contribute to ED include overweight and obesity, sedentary lifestyle, high-fat diet, etc. If you find this video helpful, you can show your support by giving us a super thanks. How to have a strong and long-lasting erection. An erection is a complex process that involves many factors, including blood circulation, heart health, diet, stress, and anxiety levels, among many others. So, to improve your chances of having a strong and long-lasting erection, you can try the following. Number 1. Eat healthy. Eating a healthy diet is essential for overall health and well-being, including sexual health. A healthy diet can help improve blood flow, increase energy levels, and boost testosterone production, all of which are important for erectile function. Number 2. Physical activity. Physical activity is important for overall health and well-being, including sexual health. Regular exercise can help to improve blood flow, increase testosterone levels, and reduce stress, all of which can improve erectile function. Number 3. Say goodbye to tobacco. Tobacco use of any type, including cigarettes, cigars, and electronic cigarettes, can damage blood vessels and reduce blood flow to the penis, leading to erectile dysfunction. Tobacco also contains nicotine, which can interfere with the release of hormones that are important for erectile function. Number 4. Reduce stress. Stress can interfere with erectile function in a number of ways. It can cause muscle tension, which can make it difficult to get or maintain an erection. Stress can also disrupt the release of hormones that are important for erectile function. Number 5. Erection-enhancing positions. There are certain sexual positions that are known to promote male erection, specifically those where the man's body is in an upright stance. This encourages proper blood circulation. Foods that improve erections. Here are some foods that can help improve erections. Foods rich in zinc. Zinc is important for testosterone production, which is a hormone responsible for male sexual desire and performance. Good sources of zinc include oysters, sunflower seeds, dark chocolate, red meat, liver, and peanuts. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids improve blood circulation throughout the body. Good sources of omega-3 fatty acids include tuna, salmon, trout, shrimps, prawns, crab, and vegetable oils. And finally, foods rich in potassium. Potassium is an important mineral for overall health, including sexual health. It helps to regulate blood pressure, improve blood circulation, and increase energy levels. All of these factors can contribute to better erections. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.